activities are there, any one day out of the week, so 7C1, it should start with T, so Tuesday or Thursday, 2C1. So 2C1 divided by 7C1, option D, 2 by 7 is the answer. 437, is that fine? Yeah. So half an hour session is done, guys. We have 2.5 hour session going on. So make sure that you understand each and every question. One question can change your written test pattern of clearing or otherwise holding. So each and every question is important. Make sure that you're understanding question and the explanation also. Okay. Please don't hesitate to ask. If you have any doubt, I'll repeat it for the same. Here is the next one. Yeah. Yes, Rohit, we started sixth one from sum 5. Okay. You want the fifth one to be explained? You want question number 5 or you want me to? It's from permutation. Okay. Okay. Everyone, please solve the question on screen. Okay, Rohit, noted. I'll do the same. Okay, guys, it's a very simple question. Yeah, permutation, combination and probability both are like sister topics. Fifth question, it's from probability. It's from probability. Fifth question is from probability. Like permutations and combinations are like sister topics. In probability, we do numerator and denominator using permutations and combinations. And question is from probability and we do permutations and combinations as well. They're sister topics. Yeah. So next question, this is from permutations and combinations. For the post of 2 receptionists, there are 12 equally qualified candidates. In how many ways they can be selected? Okay. Selection is nothing but combination. So you have to use the representation of NCR. Totally, how many are there? 12. Out of 12 people, you have to select 2 people. Okay. So 12C2. So calculation is 12C2 and 12C2 means you have R value 2 starting from 12. Write 2 numbers in the backward direction. 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones and 2 6. 6 11 66. 66 option B is the answer. Sixth question is from permutations and combinations and answer is option B 66. And guys, explaining and writing everything on screen is for your understanding. So if you're able to solve the question without using pen and paper, less than 1 minute of time, then I'm super fine with it. Okay. Option B 66 is the answer. Let's go for the next. Convert 4.333 into P by Q form. Convert 4.333 into P by Q form. P by Q form means please don't think about rational numbers, irrational numbers and all those things. Just P by Q form is nothing but they want you to write that decimal with respect to a fraction, numerator and denominator. That's it. Very simple. Which fraction can give you 4.33333? That is the answer. P by Q means that will be having a numerator, denominator. That calculation is equal to 4.333. Okay. So let's not go with respect to rational numbers, irrational numbers and all. Very simple question. Of course, you can take help of option, but none of this is there. When none of this is there, you have to be little sure. 39 is not your answer. 39 by 10 is 3.9. That is also not your answer. And you have 39 by 9 and none of this. Okay. 39 by 9 is equal to 4.333, guys. So what is your answer? Your answer is nothing but option A. Your answer is nothing but option A. Convert 4.333 into P by Q form means you don't need to write that into rational numbers, irrational numbers and all those things. P by Q form is just you need to have a numerator part for the fraction and denominator part for the fraction. 4.333 is a decimal value. For that you need to write numerator and denominator part with respect to the fraction. So 39 by 9 is your answer. Option A is your answer. Okay. Thanks for the response, everyone. Let's maintain the same. Next one. Next question. Power 1 by 2 is under root, right? Power 1 by 2 of anything is nothing but under root. Okay. Simplification, either you can simplify that and then square and add, or otherwise you can do both at the same time. Make sure that you are doing it properly, otherwise another answer option is also there. 2360. Squaring of any negative value or positive value can give you squaring of any positive value or negative value can give you only positive value. Okay. Yeah. So x is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 power 1 by 2. Okay. So 3 power 1 by 2, you can write it as root 3 or otherwise you can use the same as 3 power 1 by 2. Next, y is equal to 1 minus 2. That is minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. You can write it as under root minus 1 or otherwise you can use the same. Okay. So x square plus y square. X square is nothing but 3 whole power 1 by 2 whole square plus y square. Okay. So you have y square with respect to this information plus y is nothing but minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 or otherwise you can use under root minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole square. So these values will get cancelled off and you will have 3 minus 1 that is equal to 2. Option A, 2 is the answer. Option 4 is not there. If 4 is there, you might have given that answer. So please check the same. You can write it as whole power 1 by 2 whole square or otherwise you can take it as under root 3 under root minus 1. Anything is the same. So this is from simplifications. Basic algebra questions or otherwise simplifications. Okay. Let's go for the next. Another one is also from simplifications. Simplify 144. Okay, so you're asking about the previous question. Okay, done. Everyone just hold on. So, eighth question, x is equal to 1 plus 2 whole power 1 by 2, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 power whole power 1 by 2. And you can write this as the same or whole power 1 by 2 can be written as under root 3. and y is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 because 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. You can write this as under root minus 1. So x square plus y square. You have to calculate x square plus y square. So x is 3 power 1 by 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole square. It get cancelled off 3 minus 1, that is 2. Option A, 2 is the answer. Srija, is that clear? Shall we talk about ninth? Yeah. So let's go for the ninth one. So ninth question, already I could see the answer responses. So is it 3 root 2 or 2 root 3? It's company specific, guys. Every question is important. Ensure that you're understanding every question. Okay. If not, let me know. Don't hesitate. So we have a 144 whole power minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 6. Okay. A power m whole power n. That is nothing but a power mn. So this is according to algebra. Okay. So if you have 144 power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 6, then that can be written as 144 minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 6. Okay. So this is 3 ones and 3 twos. Minus and minus will become positive. 144 whole power 1 by 4. So 144 you can write it as 12 square. 12 square whole power 1 by 4. 2 ones and 2 twos. That is nothing but 12 1 by 2. 12 1 by 2 is nothing but under root 1 by under root 12. Under root 12 is 4 into 3. That is 2 root 3. Okay. 2 root 3, option A is your answer. 2 root 3, option A is your answer. Okay. All this calculation and step-by-step explanation is for your understanding, guys. Straight away, when you see this question, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 6 is 1 by 4 is a positive value. 144 whole power 1 by 4. The moment you look at 144, 12 square should hit your mind. So 12 square whole power 1 by 2, that is under root 12. Under root 12, it's 2 root 3. Okay. Instead of asking you directly what is under root 12, they gave you this expression. After simplifying, the moment you get under root 12, that is 2 root 3. Okay. Answer is 2 root 3. Step by step, you can simplify. A power m whole power n is a power mn. Whatever is there in the powers that can be multiplied, and base will be normalized with respect to powers of any respective numbers. Let's go for the next. What is the value of 15C13? What is the value of 15C13? One not five? Yeah, super quick response. So if you're answering 105, then you might have known the simplified method already. NCR is equal to NC minus R. So this is the formula which we have in permutations and combinations. We can call it as PNC. So if you have 15C13, so according to our calculation, 13 terms from 15 in the backward direction and taking 13 factorial in the denominator is little tricky. So whenever R value is greater than half of the value of N, we have this formula NCR is equal to NC N minus R. So 15C13 equal to 15C 15 minus 13. Okay. So that can be written as 15C2. 15C, 15 minus 13. That can be written as 15C2. Okay. 15C2 is the same. 15 into 14 divided by 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens. 15 sevens are 105. Option D, 105 is the answer. When you look at this simplification, NCR equal to NC n minus R, you have to remember 15C13 means your answer is not 15C13. Your answer is nothing but 15C2. 15C2 is nothing but 105. Option D, 105 is your answer. Option D, 105 is your answer. Okay. Those who said 210, you might have solved it for 15 into 14, guys. Those who said 210, you might have solved it for 15 into 14. It's 15 into 14 by 2. Okay. Yeah. Please check for the same. Next question. Next question. Formula is the same, but they have given reciprocal. Formula is the same, but they have given reciprocals. Formula is the same. Yeah. So you can cross check for left hand side, right hand side, or you can calculate. Reciprocal is reverse of the number. Okay. The reciprocal of HCF and LCM of two numbers are 1 by 12 and 1 by 13. So reciprocal means reverse of the number. So if HCF reciprocal is 1 by 12, HCF is 12. If LCM reciprocal is 312, LCM is 312. 1 by 312, then LCM is 312. One of the number is 24 and find out the another number. So use the same formula. 24 is one number, another number we don't know. Let's say it as y. LCM is equal to 312 and HCF. HCF is equal to 12. 12 ones, 12 twos. So y is equal to 312 divided by 2. So y is equal to 156. Okay. Option D, 156 is the answer. This formula is very important and this is from number systems of LCM and HCF. This is from number system of LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. They can ask you LCM by giving remaining three values. They can ask you HCF or they can give you any one number and they can ask you to find. So formulas which has left hand side and right hand side. So from right hand side, they can ask any one value. From left hand side, they can ask any one value. It is like that. Let's go for the same. Next one. Next question. Harini, option B. Actually, here you no need to solve the question also. You can just look at the options. You can take help of options and you can guess the answer option also. permutations, combinations, probabilities, simplifications, profit and loss percentages. These topics are very important in case of company specific. Profit and loss number systems, profit percent, discount percent, loss percent, percentages, time, speed, distance, trains. So can't expect like questions will be asked from which topic, but repeatedly these few model questions or few formula based questions are asked repeatedly. Okay. So this question is also from PNC, permutations and combinations. How many four-digit numbers can be made using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 with none of the digits being repeated? Okay. So guys, basically you have how many numbers, you have to frame how many digit number. That is all very important here. So let's look at the overall model of this PN, like permutations and combinations when we solve questions with respect to digits. Okay. So let's not concentrate on solving only this question. If this question is asked with repetition, if this question is asked with various conditions, then how can we answer the question? Okay. So let's understand the solving process with respect to digits and particular number of digits with respect to repetition of digits and without repetition of digits, how they're asking the question and how to solve the question. Let's concentrate on the same. So whenever any question is asked based on permutations and combinations and asking you to answer 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number with respect to any digits given, your first point is take how many ever blank spaces that they have asked in the question. They're asking for 4-digit number. So if they're asking for 4-digit number, you have to take 4 blank spaces. Okay. Next, what are the digits that they're asking us to use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to use the digits from 1 to 7. You have to use the digits from 1 to 7. Next, with none of the digits being repeated. Okay, with none of the digits being repeated. So how many places you have? You have 4 places here. How many digits you have? You have 7 digits. Okay, so 7 digits in 4 places. Actually, with respect to the calculation of 7p4, you can answer it directly. Okay, 7p4 is your calculation, means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Okay. Your answer will end with 0 because 6 5s are, it is 30, right? So 30 multiplied by 7 4s are 28. So your answer is nothing but 840. So you can answer like this with respect to normal calculation. Normal calculation means without using any of the things with respect to first place, second place, third place, fourth place, you can solve the question using formula method. How many ever digit number you need? Take that blank spaces. And what are the digits that are there available? Take that number. Totally 7 are available and you have 4 places. You can select any 4 digits, any 4 numbers out of the 7 and you can place them in the respective places. Okay. When 7 are available and you have to frame 4-digit number, it is nothing but 7p4. So 7p4 is 840. Option B is the answer. Okay. If you wanted to understand what is this digits without being repeated and being repeated. Guys, you have totally 7 numbers, 1 to 7. I'm not sure which number I'm taking for the first place, but I'll take one number and I'll use it in the first place. That is 7p1. Out of the 7 numbers, one number is done. One number is blocked. We are not sure what is the number, but one number is already used. You can't see that number in the next 3 places. That is what they mention, none of the digits being repeated. So one number is over. So next place you will have 6 possibilities. Okay. You will have 6 possibilities. Out of the 6 possibilities, you can select any one number in the second place. Okay. So that is nothing but 6p1. Okay. So 2 numbers out of the 7 are done. Next place you will have 5. So that is how 5p1. 3 numbers out of the 7 are done. You will have 4 numbers left over. That is how 4p1. So like that you got the calculation of 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, that is equal to 840. Okay. So when no digit is being repeated or none of the digits are being repeated, you have to do the calculation like this, taking the respective number in the first place. First place, how many are available? You have to take all the numbers for first place. Next place, reduce one chance. Next place, reduce one more chance. Next place, reduce one more chance. Okay. So you have to limit one chance for each and every position going on in the next places. 7p1, 6p1, 5p1, 4p1. So likewise, you have to solve the question and answer is 840. The same question, if they ask with repetition, okay. With repetition means there is no condition. 7 are possible. First place 7 possible. Second place also 7 possible. Third place also 7 possible. Fourth place also 7 possible. Your answer is 7 power 4. If they're asking repetition is allowed, the same question, the same information, if they say that repetition is allowed, then your answer is 7 power 4. The same question, if they say repetition is allowed, then your answer is 7 power 4. Okay. Right now they asked for none of the digits being repeated. So your answer is 840. The same question, if they say the digits are repeated, so you can take any number in any of the 4 places. So there is no condition. Each and every place will be having 7 chances equally without any condition. So 7 power 4, 840 is your answer. 7 power 4, 840 is your answer. Okay.